And welcome to Gin Fun at winemastery.co.uk. My name's John Lightfoot. This is
John Murphy.
And we're here to talk about a fantastic gin. You're just going to hear all about it. Whittaker's Navy Strength Gin. See you in a second. So here we are, with our glasses charged with Navy Strength Whittaker's Gin. Now I will do a link to the when I visited this beautiful distillery in the North Yorkshire, beautiful countryside around it. They've actually just developed this. In case you haven't seen the other episodes, they've actually just developed it. They're building their own distillery, and they're going to be one, I think, of 4 or 5 in the UK. They're actually producing their own neutral spirit.
Fabulous.
So it's they're not buying the spirit. They're actually producing that from scratch and then going on to produce the wine. I think they will be providing the spirit to other people as well. So, but I think Whittakers were one of the very early Yorkshire distilleries.
Okay,
Let's see. So this is the Navy Strength. Let's see what it tastes like. Huh?
Navy Strength.
Do you want to explain what Navy Strength is?
Navy Strength basically is just a cask strength. So it's generally 57% is where most. It has to be 57% before they can call it Navy Strength, but some people do test slightly over there. I mean, the Blackwoods, they've got a 60%, and I'm sure there'll be more that I don't know of that are a little bit stronger. And wasn't it invented for when they were taking it, when the Navy were taking it out to sea, and if this fell on the gunpowder, was that it?
Yeah.
The gunpowder, because there's so much alcohol still in there, the gunpowder would still be good to use because of the amount of alcohol in there. So
it still explode, yeah.
Hence the name.
Yeah. Well, I didn't actually want you to do that. I just said, would you like to? I didn't say do it. I'm joking.
I just want to drink gin, that's all I want. I didn't sign up for this. Right, okay. Right. Let's have a little god nose. Yes. It's always quite difficult to pick much out of. We've said this every time, but
yeah, junipers for sure.
Yeah, and it's quite orangey. I'm not going to say it's citrus, but orange.
Yeah, no, you've said that. I get that. Yeah,
okay. Yeah. Let's give it a go.
Yeah.
Wow.
Other tastes come in there besides the junipers and the floral. There's almost a floral.
Sweet. And again, I find it sweeties with the floral, but it's quite herbaceous.
Yeah.
I know there's thyme in there.
Oh. So if you
I thought you were going to do that. I know that look, John.
I was going to say, if you give me time, I could probably tell you what it was.
Come on, John. This is my first drink of the evening. Let's keep it above board now. I'll tell you what, though, for Navy Strength, that's very smooth.
So is this 52 or is this actually 57?
57.
57.
No, it has to be 57 for Navy.
Yeah, well, I think if you're so to drink this and not go neat is a real compliment, testament to the distillery.
Definitely. I mean, it's got nice. That pepperiness is there, that like tingly on your tongue, but it's nice.
Yeah, and it's one of those drinks that there were probably about 3 or 4 flavours, and I was chasing them. Oh, what's that? And then another taste. Oh, what's that? And I wasn't able to sort of peg any of them before the next one rolled along.
Because there's quite. I mean, as I'm talking again, you get that the lemon. That lemony bit comes through now. So I've lost the orange, but picked up a lemon. But what's beautiful about these Navy Strength things is it does sit there, but in a nice way. We've often spoken about the soapiness or licorice as it sits on your tongue. This doesn't. It's still a powerful flavour. The length in there is quite amazing, but without being overpowering. And as it's developing, like as it's going there, I'm thinking now more sweeties.
Yeah, it's a very fresh taste, isn't it? It's very. I'm not getting that quite often. Sometimes you get that sort of burn around the gums, but I'm not going to hear that.
No,
just very, very clean. As you say, lemon, fresh,
smooth. It's not coarse. For that amount of alcohol, you can forgive some of them for being coarse at that kind of strength, but you don't have to.
You don't have to forgive them. This is beautiful. very. Now they do say that it's good with cocktails, and I imagine it would be good with cocktails, just because of its strength. And
yeah, because a lot of times gin can get lost in cocktails. A lot of spirits, they'll get lost because hence the cocktail. That's it. But I reckon this would just stand on its own. This would you would know that's in there.
Yeah, absolutely. You would definitely know that's in there. That's lovely. Well, I suppose now the acid test, because sometimes when we really love it neat, we add tonic and we think, we spoiled it. Yeah.
Well, in my head, I'm already thinking, this is a neat drinker for me.
Yeah.
But well, let's see what happens when we put a bit of tonic in.
Okay. Well, let's go for some tonic. Voila! The tonic has been added.
Cracking. And it's gone cloudy.
It's gone cloudy, yeah. Which is, I understand that's the botanicals coming out of it. When it gets cold, the botanicals come out of the gin and sort of give it that cloudy. So I understand.
Okay, yeah, no, I think you're right. Because many a time I have had it, and I think we were with Ray once.
Divine.
Divine, yes, and there I think we were in it was a bit of a cold warehouse, and some of they all looked a bit cloudy, didn't they? Anyway, yes. All right, anyway, let's go for it.
That's lost something, doesn't it? But that's obviously the effect of the tonic.
Yeah, you expect to lose.
Yeah. It's either going to mask or change it in some way, isn't it?
Yeah, but I'm not.
Lightly refreshing. We're using lightly refreshing.
Yes, it's natural light. I think fever tree.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, there's. We find to be the best because it does kind of
neutral.
Yeah, and I've never been one for low calorie or anything like that, but I think that is a more delicate flavoured tonic, isn't it? So it just kind of leaves a bit more in your gin. Okay.
Wow.
Yeah. It's amazing how it does change.
It changed, but it's still full of flavour. It's not almost like the tonic is. It's full of flavour. It just slightly warped into something else, hasn't it?
It has. Usually with a lot of gins when we've had a tonic, we've said a lot of times it's lost it. It's lost in there. This one, it's still coming through, but it's changed the gin.
It has.
The flavour profile has come through different now. Obviously it's a bit more subtle with but then. After drinking 57% neat, it is going to...
Yeah.
But... Because I can still get that herbaceous. And I'm going to say citrus now, because I'm not sure if we're on the lemony or orangey. It's a bit...
I think it's still orangey for me. But orangey liqueur rather than orange juice, if you know what I mean.
I do. I think I do. I know the orange... I can get the liqueur. It's unusual, is that? And I'm liking it because I think it's from trying all the others all the other time and losing it to then get one that hasn't lost it.
Yeah.
Because this for me even has a mouth feel.
Yeah, it still does. Yeah.
You can take.
Yeah, they've said that.
I can feel it on my tongue.
Yeah.
But the question begs the question: neat or tonic?
Well, I think it tasted so fantastic neat. For me, I would still go with neat. And I think if I was going for a tonic, normally if you're going for a tonic, I'm going for more of a refreshing drink. So I would probably have something that was like the normal gin, standard gin, rather than going for this with tonic. Would be my personal choice. Good
answer, John. Good answer. Yeah, I think I'm with you on that one. I would agree. I'm still in the neat camp on this one. But then I think I'm in the neat camp with most gins nowadays. But the tonic has taken nothing away from that. That's a beautiful long drink, just a very good gin and tonic. Yeah.
Excellent. Well, I think it's very good. So well done, guys. You've produced a fantastic. You probably already know, but yeah, for anyone else that wants to try that is a splendid Navy strength gin. I'd actually put it in my top 10 as a Navy strength gin.
Wow. That is impressive indeed. I mean, I can't even remember my top 10.
No, we're going to have to list them, aren't we?
I think we are, because we've chopped and changed them so many times. Because we've even gone from for having 5 to 10, didn't we?
because we just couldn't make a decision.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Well, I think we should have a serious look at our list.
Okay, we will do that. We will.
But until then, we'll carry on drinking gin.
Yeah, until then we will. Well, fantastic. Well done, guys. Well, until the next gin fun. Oh, it's gone, nearly. Oh, you got a bit of ice left. You sure you don't want to...
It's delicious, what can I say?
It is delicious. Until the next one, we'll see you there. Looking forward to you already. Gin, gin.
Gin, gin.